Hi, I'm Peter and I'm gonna help you with Python. In today's video we are going to create a simple login system. First of all, you need to open a new project. File, New, it must be a Python file, then name it whatever you want. I will name it Simple Login. And enter. OK, right click. Click on Run Simple Login or your file name, and now you can run your code. I close this. First of all, you should write password. This word will be our password. I write Peter's coding. The second step is to create an input. I will name it password input. Which equals to input, and you can write here a sentence what you want to display. I'm going to write enter the password and an exclamation mark and a space. So we have two lines. Okay, for the third line we should type max tries, because our program needs to stop after 3 incorrect tries. So it will be 0. Okay, now we will set the number of tries. Number of tries. It's equals to 3. That's the maximum amount, and after the third try it will stop. Okay, first we need to create a while loop. I give password input. First set that what happens if the password is incorrect. So it's not equals to the password. It's the password we gave here. And now we should increase the max try with 1. And the number of tries, we should decrease it with 1. Okay, now it's clear. And now we should write an if statement. So if maximum tries reaches 3, the maximum amount of tries, that means equals 3, what should happen? After it reaches 3, we should print out a sentence. You can write anything here you want. I will write, you have reached the maximum number of tries. That I will write, you can't enter. And after it says you can't enter, we should stop the program. It's a break. And now back to our while loop, and after the password is incorrect, but we have more tries, we should say print password is incorrect, but you have, and here we should stop our sentence and comma, and we should write the number of tries here, comma, and we should continue our sentence, tries left, and I set a space here. And after this we should give the input again. So password input equals to input, and we should give the prompt enter the password. Okay, first we finished our first part of the program, and the second part we will make a second loop. What happens when the password is correct? So it's a while loop again. While password input equals to our password. So when the password is correct, print the following. Print password is correct. You can enter. And now, after this, we should stop our program. Break. And now we finished. Don't forget to save before running the program. Okay, now we should test our program. So, run it. It says enter the password. I'm gonna enter something different. For example, Apple. It says password is incorrect and says you have 2 more tries left. So we have 2 more tries. Let's make it pair. And it says you have 1 tries left. There's a grammar mistake, but in the next videos we're gonna correct it. Enter the password again. I must say Doug. And it says you have reached the maximum amount of tries and you can't enter. Okay, now that's working. Run it again. And now type the correct password. And now it says password is correct, you can enter. I hope you liked the video and don't forget to like and subscribe.